This is a video about baby kitten Max, or BKM. Well, hold on there. Got all kinds of messed up stuff here. Okay, hold on. Gotta back it up. My gosh. Here we go, hold on. Well, that was weird. Anyway, tablet fell over. Only wasted a few seconds of it. There's Molly looking at the butt of Max. Probably smelling that cat tail. She's just sitting there. Molly is a girl, black lab, boxer mix. And Max is a boy cat that meows for long periods of time. He's exploring the area. Molly's just sitting there, very calm, with a cat messing with her. She's going, what's this cat doing? Just looking very, very quietly. There she goes. She goes, oh, okay, I've had enough. I'll just lay down. And Max is over there going, hey, I want to play with Coco now. And Coco's sitting there, must I? Must I play? I'm trying to sleep over here. So he's going to sniff her. And he's got a wagging tail there. A tail that's a wagging. Must be a happy dog. Are you a happy dog? Uh-oh. Somebody must be here. Max is saying, what happened? What happened? What happened? Well, that's it.